The AVer PTC500S is the ideal professional tracking camera for your strategic recording needs. Boasting a powerful PTZ camera with a 30 times optical zoom, the PTC500S can provide a clear view of moving people or objects from the back of any large room. It also features a second camera to offer a panoramic view. Its PTZ camera can pan 175 degrees horizontally in either direction. Featuring 3 unique tracking configurations, the PTC500S covers all your content capturing needs. Let's see them in action. Wide area tracking can follow you in any direction. No matter how a person moves, each movement is tracked with ease. With its advanced targeting algorithms, the PTC500S effortlessly follows a moving target, providing you with exceptional video documentation. Tracking remains totally unaffected, even if another object or person passes in front of the target being tracked. AVer stage tracking allows for precise and accurate tracking in the most difficult lighting environments and is ideal for on-stage presentations. Segment tracking allows for the creation of up to 4 effective zones, which can accurately record content on different teaching tools, and is the perfect solution for preserving content displayed on a panel in real time. The AVer PTC500S Professional Auto Tracking Camera.